Hello friends, welcome to Civil Engineering Exam. Today we are going to see the problem related with water supply engineering in the topic of population forecasting. So the problem is the population of 5 decades from 1930 to 1970 are given below. Find out the population after 1, 2 and 3 decades beyond the last known decades. The last known decade is 1970 by incremental increase method. So there is lot of methods available for population forecasting. So there is a geometric method, arithmetic method, incremental increase method, decrease method. So everything is there. So now we can use the incremental increase method. Okay, so now the year is given, the corresponding population also given. So in 1930, 25,000 population, 1940, 28,000, 1950, 34,000, 1960, 42,000, 1970, 47,000 population is there. Okay, so now we can find out the population after 3 decades, that is 1980, then 1990, then 2000. Okay, so the corresponding population, so we have to find out. Okay, so now we can use the formula for incremental increase methods. Pn equal to P naught, that is previous decades population, plus n into x bar plus n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into y bar. Okay, so this is a formula we can use. So the x bar is increasing in population, average increasing in population, then y bar is incremental increase, average incremental increase in population. So after that the n is number of decades. Okay, so the first decade is 1, so then second decade, so 2, third decade is 3. So likewise we can calculate. So now we can write the year. So 1930, so 1940, 1950, 1960, 1970. Okay, so there is 5 years. So corresponding population is 25,000, then 28,000, so then 34,000, so then 42,000, so then 47,000. Okay, so now we have to find out the incremental of population, so increase or decrease. So whether the population is increase or decrease. So here the population increases 3,000. Okay, so 25,000, so one decade it will be increase as 28,000, so 3,000 population increase. So here the population is increases 6,000, so 28,000 and become the 34,000, so the increase in population is 6,000. So here 42 minus 34, the 8,000 population is increased. So now here 42,000 and 47,000, so 47 minus 42, 5,000. So 5,000 population increase. Okay, so now the incremental increase, so increasing in population will be increased, how much increases. So now here 3,000 and 6,000, so now 6,000 minus 300, so positive of 3,000. So here 8,000 minus 6,000, so 2,000 is the increment population. So then 5,000 minus 8,000, so now minus 3,000. So now we have to add all those things. So now here the cumulative is 22,000. So here the cumulative is 2,000. So here the positive, here also positive, here. Okay, so now we can divide it by 4, so we can find out the average. So the average will be 5,500. So the average is 5,500. So this is the x bar value. So then y bar, so the 2,000 divided by 3, so now we got the value of 667. Okay, so this is a y bar value. Okay, so now we know the x bar value and y bar value, so we can directly find out the population of 1980, 1990 and 2000. Okay, so now population of 1980, so now the P naught is 47,000, so last decade population, into the n value is 1, because it's a 1970, the one decade is there 1980, so we can substitute 1 into the x bar value 5500, again plus n value is 1 into 1 plus 1 divided by 2 into y bar value 667. Okay, so solving this, we got the value of population 1980 equal to 53,167. Okay, so this is the population of 1980. Okay, so next thing is population of 1990. So now the n value is 2. So if case we are using 53,167, so again we'll calculate all those things. After that we can substitute. So that's why we are taking the 1970 itself. Okay, so now 47,000 plus 2 into 5,500, again plus 2 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2 into 667. Okay, so now solving this, we got the value of P 1990 equal to 60,000. So the population will be 60,000 in 1990. Okay, so next thing is we can calculate P 2000. So here, so the decade is 3. So now 47,000 plus the number value is 3. So 3 into 5,500 plus 3 into 3 plus 1 divided by 2 into 667. Okay, so now solving this, we got the value of P 2000 equal to 67,502. Okay, so this is the population of 2000. Okay, so this is a incremental increase method, population forecasting. So again we will see next video. Thank you.